Dear students, today we will again discuss the important chemical reaction. Welcome to you in this video. The 10th reaction is Claisen schematic reaction or Claisen reaction. The statement is, it involves the condensation between an aromatic aldehyde or ketone with an aliphatic aldehyde or ketones in presence of dilute alkali to form alpha-beta unsaturated compound. For example, benzaldehyde when react with acetaldehyde in presence of dilute sodium hydroxide, it changes into cinnamaldehyde along with water. The second example is benzaldehyde reacts with acetone in presence of dilute sodium hydroxide to give benzyl acetone. The next name reaction, that is 11th name reaction, is Claisen reduction. The statement is, it involves the reduction of aldehyde and ketones to the corresponding hydrocarbon with amalgamated zinc and conc HCl. Example, acetaldehyde reduced in presence of zinc amalgam with hydrogen and conc hydrochloric acid change into ethane. Similarly, dimethyl ketone on reduced in presence of zinc amalgam in presence of HCl to propane and water. The next is coupling reaction. The reaction of diazonium salt with phenol and aromatic amine to form azo compound. The reaction is carried out in ice-cooled solution. Benzene diazonium chloride reacts with phenol at 273 to 278 Kelvin to give p-hydroxybenzene. Similarly, benzene in diazonium chloride reacts with aniline at 273 to 278 temperature to give p-amino azobenzene, a yellow dye. The next name reaction is decarboxylation reaction. The process of removal of a molecule of carbon dioxide from carbonic acid is called decarboxylation. It is usually carried out by heating a carbonic acid or its sodium salt with soda lime, that is NaOH plus calcium oxide in the ratio 3:1 at 630 degree. Sodium peroxide when reacts with soda lime at 630 Kelvin, it changes into ethane and sodium carbonate. The other examples of decarboxylation reaction is benzoic acid reacts with soda lime to give benzene and sodium carbonate. Other example, phthalic acid reacts with soda lime to give benzene, sodium carbonate and water. If, however, a carboxylic acid carries an electron withdrawing groups such as CO, COH, NO2, etc. at beta position with respect to carboxylic group, decarboxylation can be readily achieved just by heating. For example, acetoacetic acid when heated from 443 Kelvin to 453 Kelvin, it changes into acetone. Similarly, malanoic acid when heated, it changes into acetic acid. Next name reaction is diazotization reaction. The formation of diazonium salt from primary amine in a dilute mineral acid such as hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid and treatment with cooled solution of nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin. Example, aniline when treated with HNO2 in presence of sodium nitrate and hydrochloric acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin, it changes into benzene diazonium chloride along with water. Similarly, aniline when treated with HNO2 in presence of NaNO2 and sulfuric acid, it gives benzene diazonium, hydrogen sulfate and water. The next reaction, that is 15th name reaction, is Diels-Alder reaction or cycloaddition. The reaction between alpha-beta unsaturated carbonyl compound and a conjugate diene to form an additive product is known as Diels-Alder reaction. This reaction is also known as a cycloaddition. For example, when 1,3-butadiene, which is a conjugate diene, reacts with acrolein, that is an alpha-beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, it changes into 1,2,3,6 tetrahydrobenzaldehyde. Thanks to all of you.